Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to another AJ video. You may hear things in the background.
You're already in here? What the fuck?
Maria, I wasn't grabbing that much stuff, I was just grabbing... Do you want me to get you the video? Then shut up! Oh shit. Anyways. My sisters being annoying as always. Shut up. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a few shoutouts to some jammers because where's Internal? Because Internal's confused because I can't see my channel name in my for a moment there my froze. Sorry about that. I might edit that out. If I had to do it. Where did Eternal go? Eternal. Okay, Eternal's gone. Yay. And I'm just doing randomness, shoutouts, trades, and all that. I can't see. I cannot stay still. And you may notice that I'm that's all I have said. Okay. Shout out to all them. I can't explain it. Shout out to
if you want to see what I have
Kitty
now.
Mouse 12, you just got a shout out, and sorry for my hand twitch. My hand twitches.
If you want to see what I have on right now, then I guess we could video
Oh
chat.
my god. Okay.
Oh wait. Babe,
What?
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Have a kiss.
Mwah. By the way, you are on speaker, so my sister can hear you. Josephine, say hi.